making a waterfall with the tube.
Wow. Dari toys.
Yeah. This bucket is full. But this bucket is never gonna spill and full. See? He stopped right there.
Wow.
He never gonna drop from the top. It's only 90% of the water inside.
So small tube there.
85 to 90%. And inside there's a more tube and wheels. And in the outside, more tube. Anyway. Look at now. You need that. Just suck it. Like this. Like this. Watch. Here, like. Watch.
Wow.
Ha.
There are three.
Like this.
Wow. There's a lot of. Look at that. A lot of toys tube in here.
Ini deh bebannya. Bebannya.
Ah yes, I'm sorry.
Bebannya.
Ah yes, I'm sorry. Ah yes, I'm sorry. The new shape.
Okay. But this time is different. Let's make it bigger. Okay, let's start from this purple hole.
Wow.
A dragon nose. What is this hole doing?
But cannot reach until top the
This
water.
is the air hole.
The water cannot climb up.
He reached the closest hole.
You should close the hole.
Maybe change the direction.
Yeah. Wow.
It's a bit heavy, but you can do it.
Put the tape.
But
put
this
the
hole
pail.
But this
Put the container there.
But this thing doesn't work. This one.
Yeah, that's work. It cannot climb up.
Maybe because there's no air inside, so it cannot push the water. And
Because there is another hole.
Yeah, there's another hole, so the water will be trapped into other side.
There's no need. No need this. Because there's no water in here.
Yeah. Well, look. Now let's put it a hole here. Is it amazing?
Amazing DIY. DIY for experiment. What is the part?
Oh, this is just a making, so I don't need this anymore.
There's a variation.
This is already broken.
Yeah, later we can change to another style.
Okay, it's almost full. But there's more water dropping here. Maybe when it's full. I have a top idea. Okay. There. My house! That will be perfect.
Yeah.
That will be perfect.
Ready? Come on, use this hose. Use the hose, sayang. Must be careful, baby.
Yeah, say him babe, not baby.
Wow. There are three branches.
Almost fall. No.
Oh, it's too heavy for the water. Maybe you have to make it smaller.
Yeah, that will be perfect.
Reduce. What?
There.
Nala, tampung ini.
Reduce.
Nala, oh, that's the trick. You have to make it bigger and
It's a
then.
volcano.
Wow.
It's a volcano eruption. It's a
Become a
volcanic.
fountain.
Wow. See? Now this is the biggest. Now this is the biggest. Now this one is very awake. Now this one
Turn
is
it out.
Wow. Look at the eruption. Volcanic.
No. Looks like a Singapore icon.
Yo, this is crazy. It's high as we go. Remember earlier, he's not working. But
wasting the
thing is
water.
not growing, but it's growling inside.
Yeah.
Look.
Don't wasting the
But it's
water,
not getting up.
please.
Okay, look.
This is the clean water.
Look.
Yeah.
This water will keep it safe. Look.
I'll go.
Oh, I think I can do it like this. Hmm? Yeah!
Okay.
Wow!
So much fun. So much fun.
Yeah,
So much fun.
yeah, that is fun.
Lala. So much fun.
Yeah. Okay.
That's another trick. You can combine
Yeah.
the pipe and the hose. Wow, very good. How you connect that?
I don't know.
How you connect it?
You
In
can-
there?
Yeah.
Inside?
It's under here. Later, the water goes.
Wait, where is it?
The hose, the pipe go under here and go to the hose and go into here.
Yeah, of course.
From under here.
Oh, I can connect now. Okay, that's the variation number 3 that you make, right?
With this. Like a snake. Snake
Yeah.
wasting water.
Yeah, it's all wasting water. You can watering the plant.
Okay, of course.
Watering the plant first.
But daddy's already water.
Yeah, a little bit only. Yeah.
Yes, already further he goes.
Okay. The planting.
But a little
the
bit
plant
more.
is happy now.
But a little bit more. But this plant is already too full. This first plant.
Enough. It's enough for that plant.